James River Bridge. That's where I'm going. James River Bridge is a drawbridge in the centre with a metal deck, which can be a little exciting. As long as you don't take it too fast, you're fine. We're now in Newport News, heading towards the James River Bridge. We'll be on the James River Bridge in just a few seconds, just after this traffic light. And that's Huntington Park. That's the last place you can turn off before the bridge. It has a nice beach. Let's get past this fucking hose. I've yet to eat at this restaurant, the Crab Shack. I've had a look at their menu. They're a bit expensive. I think the temperature is going to drop as we cross this bridge, because we've got the cold water on either side of us. There's the Newport News shipyards to my left, the open sea to my right, which is the Chesapeake Bay, and this is the mouth of the Chesapeake Bay and the James River Bridge. So the trick to this bridge, keep your speed down around between 55 and 60 miles an hour. Have a loose grip of the handlebars as we approach the deck. Don't accelerate and don't brake. And just past this tower, as we cross this tower, that's where the metal deck begins. This is the drawbridge part of it. As you can see, I'm not sure if my crash bar camera will show the amount of movement on my front wheel, but we'll see. And that was that. No drama, just a little bit of excitement. And as the bridge recedes behind us and the temperature continues to drop. So it was, before I hit the bridge it was 73 degrees, it is now 65 degrees. So we've lost 8 degrees of temperature just because of the water volume. But it is early spring, and the water here of the Chesapeake Bay and the James River Bridge is quite cold, and it's a large body of water, so it does affect the air temperature quite a bit. Of course, as we get into autumn and the air temperature drops, the water remains warm. So we tend to, in the autumn here, we tend to have a lot of fog because we have warm water and cold air. So now it is 61 degrees. So we've lost another 4 degrees. So that's 13 degrees, 12, 13 degrees already we've lost, just because of this large body of water. So as soon as I hit the shore, I'm pretty sure the temperature will rise again. It'll get us back to the 71, 72 degrees. Yep, I can feel it already. As soon as I hit the thing, out of white. Now 66 degrees, that's 5 degrees risen already.